Škoda is set to celebrate its 130th anniversary in style with the debut of the updated Škoda Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe. The highly anticipated reveal will happen on Wednesday, the 8th of January at 10 o'clock Central European Time on Škoda's official YouTube channel. Alongside the unveiling, a detailed press kit will be available for download on the Škoda Storyboard website, offering an in-depth look at the brand's refreshed electric vehicles. These new iterations of the Škoda Enyaq boast significant updates, showcasing a bold, modern, solid design language. Notable features include an eye-catching front end with a glossy black tech deck face, a light band, and redesigned LED matrix beam headlights. Interior and exterior enhancements are paired with upgraded standard equipment and improved powertrain options. Thanks to refined aerodynamics, the Enyaq offers a longer range, integrating sustainable materials and an enriched standard feature set. Škoda promises a full video walkaround with expert insights during the launch.